Traders Union forecasts Trump to lose 5.5% by tomorrow. To begin, let's check the chart and see how things are shaping up. As of this update, Trump has gone down 0.4% over the past 24 hours and is now near $1.652. Let's head into the forecast segment. Traders Union expects the price to reach $1.56 by June 30, a retreat of approximately 5.5%. CoinLore puts the target for Trump at $1.58, about 4.3% below current value. CoinCodex notes it may descend to $1.637, roughly 0.8% below the current price. Another estimate from CoinDataFlow shows Trump may move up to $1.73, a rise close to 4.8%. And lastly, Gulf Capital Collector points to $1.948 by June 30, which is 18% above the latest price. This one shows the highest profit potential. We've finished 5 projections. Let's keep moving. Now we move from forecasts to their expected performance. Taking all 5 forecasts into account, we could see the price move anywhere between a drop of 5.5% and an increase of 18%, depending on the analyst. It appears Gulf Capital Collector ends up with the highest projected return with 18% increase in value by June 30. It's clear you could earn between $8 and $180 for every $1,000 you invest. When we talk about probability, CoinCodex tops the list with a 97.7% chance of success. By putting all the forecasts side by side, I've drawn up a consensus view. The consensus view positions Trump near $1.691, suggesting modest upward movement. Now, let's dive into it. The consensus outlook points to a 2.4% rise in price. Accordingly, your capital would also be up by about 2.4%. A 1,000 stake could translate into roughly $24 in potential upside. So the chance of the consensus forecast on Trump playing out stands close to 95.1%. To sum up this section, let's see what analysts predict for the 3-day horizon. Traders Union points to further downside potential. A decline is meanwhile anticipated by CoinLore, with bearish pressure in play. Also, CoinCodex expects the chart to tilt downward. CoinDataFlow signals the price is following an ascending path. Similarly, Gulf Capital Collector projects the price moving north in the short term. Looking at the forecasts together, the consensus reflects a negative trajectory for Trump. Collectively, the majority of views highlight a bearish stance on Trump. 5 forecasts were shared 2 days ago. Yesterday provided the results to evaluate. In the end, the final outcome was $1.634. Yesterday's results showed that only a few forecasts were right about the trend. The prediction that stood closest to reality came from CoinLore. Now it's time to go through the results systematically. Only one analyst's forecast was inside the daily move. For our part of the group finished in profit with the strongest outcome at 4.1%. Up next, the results view. A clear picture of how all forecasts worked out. Across the results, CoinDataFlow recorded $0.066 accuracy, 98.6% forecast probability, and 4.1% ROI. See if you can spot which predictions were the most successful. Now take a look at how the expected returns for tomorrow vary across different assets and Trump. Trump takes the lead in tomorrow's comparison, with an expected profitability of 2.4%. Here we're showing just 5 coins for now, while extended comparisons and extra features are available on my website. If I managed to save you some time today, a quick like would be the best feedback. Catch you in the next summary.